debuted on TMZ on the cusp of some serious gossip, nastiness, if you will. I don't know about nastiness. I think it's all funny now. It's funny that, and that's the problem with men. Men don't know when you break up with them. Am I crazy?
No, you're absolutely
You're right, because I still don't know we broke up.
You don't know that you broke up.
I'm still in denial. It's been like 14 years.
All good. You've been gone.
We still together in my brain. We still together.
I mean, I think that's pretty much the gist of your song F Love. I mean, you go into the booth and you spill your guts onto that track, which, by the way, short and sweet, which I love. You got this amazing new artist from Canada. What's his name again?
Tory Lanez.
Tory Lanez. He put the smooth on that track.
He's responsible for this record because I'm not taking the credit, and I'm not the one that created a record around the drama that everybody's making it about.
Right.
Totally not. It's just an amazing artist that came and brought me some dope, amazing new material, and I just fell in love with it, and I wanted to work with him, and we just brought together a bunch of great records, and this happened to be one of the ones that we just was like, whoa.
So basically, okay,
I'm sorry. Do you sit back and laugh at how women now who are quote unquote coming into this game, into this, and are all of a sudden it's all about the ass? Do you laugh at that? Because I mean, I don't mean to.
I don't know when that phase kind of came in because I was
2000.
No, because 2000 was when my album came out, and when I did
Pull Over. Came out for
but when Pull Over came out, you did not see women running around, and it was basically about ass. I didn't really, or maybe because I
because
wasn't
you have one.
but I never really.
You know what? Thank you.